Welcome to my channel. Today is the day to transplant my aloe vera plant. I brought this plant last year from the garden center. It was in a clearance because its condition was really bad. This plant had turned all red because they kept it in a harsh sunlight. Aloe is a succulent, but it does not need much sunlight. It will grow great in shades. In my window side, I keep my aloe vera in shade of my basil plant, which works great for me. Look at this boy. It has outgrown this pot so quick. It's been 6 months since I brought it. So now I'm transplanting it in a bigger container. I saw on internet that many people tell regarding special mix for aloe vera, but I don't think I need any special mix. Even in this pot, I have used normal potting mix. As long as your soil is well drained, you shouldn't be worried about this aloe vera plant. I had some soil in this pot for so long. Let me just work on it properly. Although aloe vera is a very hardy plant, I have added new potting mix in this so it will have a good start and can recover quickly from transplant shock. I am trying to break big chunks of soil here. To remove plant from its previous container, do not pull it from its leaves. It can damage. So first try to loosen up soil from all the way down so you can easily remove this plant without damaging its roots. Keep your pot horizontal. As I'm doing it here, I'm taking newspaper underneath to save my floor. Then gently try to loosen up roots. These roots is stuck in one of the hole, so I am being more careful to get it out. Once it is out, you can easily see all the roots. Look at that long root. How big is that? No wonder it was stuck at the bottom. Wow! At this stage, you need to examine your root. If there are any black roots, you need to cut it out to save your plant from further damage, or it can spread to your entire plant. Now finally, it's time to transplant. I'm removing some soil to small container to make a space for our plant in this container. So just make a little bit as we shouldn't bury this head of the plant inside this new container. So now gently keep the plant in the small hole and put soil to keep it in a place. Make sure that you are not burying the head. I am holding the plant with one hand and putting soil in a container with another. So that can make it more proper and it won't tilt in one side and it can stand up properly in this container. Now look at that. My happy aloe in its new home. I hope he will love it. I will keep you posted with its progress in later videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.